Hey everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to set out of office or automatic replies in your Outlook 365 or new Outlook. To set an out of office message in Outlook 365, you need to enable automatic replies. This can be done both on Outlook desktop app and the web version by accessing the settings. To do this, you will have to open Outlook. Click on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner. This should open the settings window. Once you have the settings window, you will have to click on the accounts and then on the right hand side, click on automatic replies. Turn on the automatic replies. Send replies only during a time period. You can set the start time and the end time if you want the replies to be sent during a specific period. Choose the start time and end time. You can also choose the option to block your calendar or decline new meetings while you're away. Optionally, you can set different messages for internal and external senders. You can go ahead and type the message, and with the formatting option, you can go ahead and change the format of this message if you want to set the color, or if you want to insert an image, or you can insert a hyperlink. You can go ahead and make those respective changes. You can also choose the option to send replies only to contact. In case if you have an Exchange account, if you're in the office, you would also have an option to send automatic replies for the contacts within the organization, and you will also have an option to choose send automatic replies outside the organization. Once these changes are made, you may go ahead and click on save and close this window. With this, you will have your automatic replies enabled in your Outlook. Now your automatic replies would be enabled until the scheduled time. In case if you want to turn off the automatic replies manually, you can go back to the settings, click on accounts and automatic replies, and you would also have an option to manually turn off the automatic replies or vacation responder in your Outlook. Once this is done, you may click on close this window. With this, you will be able to enable or disable the automatic replies in your Outlook. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.